The iPhone is widely regarded as one of the best devices on the market for several reasons. Here are some key factors that contribute to its reputation. Design and build quality. Apple's commitment to design excellence is evident in the iPhone's sleek and premium aesthetics. The devices are crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring a solid build that feels premium in the hand. The attention to detail in the design, from the placement of buttons to the precision of the display, adds to the overall user experience. User-friendly interface. The iPhone's user interface, iOS, is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Apple prioritizes intuitive navigation, making it accessible for users of all ages and technological proficiency levels. The cohesive and consistent user experience across Apple devices also contributes to its user-friendliness. Integration with Apple ecosystem. Apple's ecosystem is a significant advantage for iPhone users. Seamless integration between iPhones, Macs, iPads, Apple Watches, and other devices enables a smooth and synchronized user experience. Features like handoff, iCloud, AirDrop, and continuity allow for effortless device switching and file sharing. App Store and software support. The App Store offers one of the largest selections of high-quality apps, providing users with a vast range of productivity, entertainment, and utility options. Apple's strict app review process ensures a curated and secure app experience. Furthermore, Apple's commitment to software updates ensures ongoing support, bug fixes, and new features for their devices. Security and privacy. Apple prioritizes user privacy and security. Features such as Face ID and Touch ID provide secure authentication methods, and data encryption safeguards personal information. Apple's strict app guidelines and privacy policies help protect user data and prevent unauthorized access. Camera capabilities. The iPhone's camera capabilities have consistently been praised, offering excellent image quality, advanced features, and intuitive camera apps. Apple continues to push the boundaries with each new iPhone release, introducing enhancements like computational photography, night mode, and Pro RAW, allowing users to capture professional-grade photos and videos. Performance and optimization. iPhones are known for their smooth performance and optimization. Apple designs its hardware and software together, enabling efficient utilization of system resources. The powerful processors and optimized software result in fast and responsive performance, making multitasking and resource-intensive tasks seamless. Customer support. Apple's customer support is highly regarded. Apple stores, online support channels, and Apple Care provide prompt and reliable assistance, ensuring that users can resolve any issues or queries they may have. Longevity and resale value. iPhones tend to have long life cycles, receiving software updates and support for several years after their release. This longevity, combined with the desirability of Apple devices, results in higher resale value compared to other smartphones. Brand reputation and trust. Apple's reputation for innovation, reliability, and quality has earned the trust of millions of users worldwide. The brand's consistent delivery of high-quality products and user experiences has contributed to the iPhone's status as one of the best devices available. These are just a few reasons why the iPhone is considered one of the best devices on the market. The combination of design excellence, user-friendly interface, ecosystem integration, App Store support, security measures, camera capabilities, performance optimization, customer support, longevity, and brand reputation has made the iPhone a top choice for many users seeking a premium smartphone experience.